HomeLink in the Tesla Model X, produced from 2016 to 2024, is a built-in universal remote system that allows you to control your garage door, security gates, and lights without needing separate remotes. This video will guide you through the setup, testing, and troubleshooting of HomeLink in your Model X. HomeLink replaces the need for multiple garage door remotes by learning and replicating their signals. Note that Tesla is moving towards app-based controls in newer models, but HomeLink remains functional on older Model X vehicles. HomeLink operates on radio frequencies to communicate with garage door openers. It essentially learns the signal from your existing remote. Key aspects include compatibility with most brands like Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Genie. Security using rolling codes for newer systems protects against hacks. Be aware that older fixed code systems are more vulnerable. The setup process involves training the car to recognize the remote's signal. To begin programming HomeLink on your Tesla Model X, start by accessing the Controls menu on your touchscreen interface. Once in the Controls menu, select the Garage Door option to begin the programming process. Next, locate the HomeLink button in your vehicle, typically on the overhead console. Place your original garage door remote close to this button. Follow the on-screen instructions to train HomeLink. This typically involves pressing and holding both the remote button and the HomeLink button simultaneously until the indicator light changes. You may need to cycle through different training modes if the initial attempt doesn't work. After training, test the system to ensure the garage door responds correctly. After programming your HomeLink system, it's crucial to test its range. Drive your Model X away from the garage and then back to ensure the signal reaches properly. HomeLink typically operates within a range of 100 to 200 feet. If you experience poor range, interference from nearby devices could be the culprit. Check for Wi-Fi routers or Bluetooth devices that might disrupt the HomeLink signal. To further improve performance, try resetting your garage door opener. Also ensure there's clear line of sight between the vehicle and the opener, avoiding obstacles that could block the signal. If connections remain weak despite other fixes, consider installing a signal amplifier. This device boosts the HomeLink signal strength. Always verify your door control connections are properly configured. Many HomeLink issues stem from user error during setup. Firmware updates can resolve many software glitches. If you experience persistent signal drops, update your Tesla's software. In urban areas, interference from 5G towers can be problematic. Some users have found workarounds using Faraday cages. If HomeLink gets stuck, manual reprogramming via OBD2 tools might be necessary. Consult a Tesla expert. HomeLink is designed to work with most garage door opener brands, operating on radio frequencies between 300 and 400 megahertz. This allows integration with popular manufacturers like Chamberlain, LiftMaster, Genie, and others. However, compatibility issues can arise with older or less common systems that use different frequencies or protocols. Rolling code systems enhance security by changing the access code each time the remote is used. This prevents replay attacks where someone captures and repeats an old signal. If you encounter issues with a rolling code system, consult your garage door opener's manual for specific reset or programming instructions. You may need to press the Learn button on the garage door opener itself to initiate the learning mode. Different garage door opener brands use various programming methods, often identified by the number of button presses required during the learning process. This chart shows the Learn Method ID for various manufacturers. Tesla is increasingly encouraging users to migrate from HomeLink to mobile apps like MyQ or the Genie app. These apps offer broader compatibility and features like remote monitoring. Newer Tesla models, like the Model Y and Cybertruck starting from 2022, have discontinued HomeLink in favor of these app-based solutions. Using apps simplifies integration and provides more control over your garage door, such as checking status or automating operations. For comparison, traditional HomeLink required physical buttons in the car, while apps offer wireless convenience and advanced features. The future of garage door control in Teslas points towards seamless IoT connectivity, where vehicles integrate directly with smart home ecosystems through wireless networks and protocols. AI-driven automation offers exciting possibilities, where Tesla vehicles could automatically program garage door access by syncing through cloud services with compatible smart home devices. While HomeLink continues to work reliably on older Model X vehicles built before 2024, experts predict its complete obsolescence by 2030 as Tesla phases out the hardware. App-based garage door control introduces cybersecurity challenges, including risks of device hijacking, denial of service attacks, and man-in-the-middle threats that could compromise home security. To address these security concerns, future systems are trending toward biometric authentication, using fingerprint or facial recognition to provide secure, personalized access to garage doors.